Music has been used as a form of entertainment throughout history, but did you know that it can actually improve your brain function and relaxation? Number 1. Classical music and your brain. Anyone who listens to any sort of music knows that it puts you in a great mood. Yet it is the structure and slow tunes of most classical music that creates a soothing and calming effect on you. It causes your body to release dopamine, which is a happy hormone which boosts your mood and blocks stress hormones. Aside from improving a person's overall mood and relaxation, listening to classical music also comes with other healthy benefits for you. It affects from little children to our elderly. It doesn't exclude anybody. Some of those effects are reduced stress, reduced blood pressure, better sleep, better memory, and it also helps with your emotional intelligence. Number 2. The Mozart effect. Are you familiar with a parenting technique of letting your kid listen to classical music? Because some studies show that it helps calm down your babies and it helps them fall asleep faster. Also, some parents believe that it makes their kid even smarter. The last idea of the Mozart effect was popularized in 1993, while there was a research where they analyzed students taking a test and how the classical music would actually affect them. Those students who listened to classical music beforehand, they actually had better results in the test than those who didn't listen to classical music before. Even though the Mozart effect doesn't make you permanently smarter, it does help you relax and take your tasks much easier and with much more confidence. The Mozart effect relies on you listening to classical music while performing a task or learning, for example, and it will help you memorize it faster and you will do it much easier and quicker. Number 3. Relaxation and classical music. Now, you might be asking, how does classical music actually help you relax? Many people say it's the harmony and the melody which soothes them. And it turns out that it does have a positive effect on the human brain. When you are trying to relax, it is important which music you choose. It is best to avoid those loud pieces that rely on brass instruments which are really loud and they will kind of hype you up. And you do not want that, you want to relax. So you want to listen to chill music, obviously. Because lullabies and classical music have some things in common, both actually help you fall asleep faster and help you get a higher quality sleep. Classical music and relaxation also have something in common with meditation, because all of those benefits that those 3 things get you for your body and your brain. In fact, listening to classical music can actually make someone more empathetic and emotionally intelligent because their brain and their body is at peace. Number 4. It is a natural pain reliever. When listening to music, we might get carried away by the melody of it. But a study in 2006 found that groups of patients who had chronic pain actually dealt with the pain much easier after listening to classical music than those patients who didn't listen to it. Researchers suggest actually that music helps those patients recover from surgery, and some people even encourage nurses to let their patients listen to it because it activates the reward system in your brain, and you actually go through the pain much easier and quicker. And finally, we have come to the fifth part, which is that it aids sleep. Forget your whale sounds, listen to some classical music. That will surely help you calm down. But like me, I'm stressed out. It is suggested that you listen to some classical music about 45 minutes before you go to bed, because it will improve your sleep quality overall. It is also suggested to listen to a piece that doesn't have more than 60 beats per minute, so I definitely don't recommend you listen to the Dance of the Bumblebee. Instead, go for Mozart or Bach, and some of those are quite fast, but find those which are chill and relax before you go to bed, and you will have a great night's sleep. I promise you that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. If you like these kinda educational type videos, content, and if you want more videos, you know, there's something for you. There's a subscribe button, it's red, you can't miss it. There's a bell near it. Notify when I upload. Subscribe, like this video, I'll see you soon, bye!